My trip to Panama will not be complete without visiting the amazing Panama Canal, which is what the country is known for. It's an 82 kilometers canal that connects the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean via the Caribbean Sea. I also got the opportunity to view a ship sail through the canal from start to finish, which you will see here, and I'll also tell you guys about what you see as you climb up the building. So for some reason it's taking some time today, but hopefully we can get through it as soon as possible.
Welcome to the Pacific entrance of the canal. All of you are English speakers. Welcome to the Pacific entrance of the canal. This is Miraflores Vlogs. What we're going to do right now is to go to the top floor. Okay, to the panoramic view of the canal. There is a ship entering right now. So in order to get there, we're going to use the exhibit halls as the path. Okay? We're going to visit 4 stories of exhibit. This first one will explain us about the history of the canal. Okay, since Spaniards arrived to the eastwest of Panama, the idea to build the canal, because it was a commercial route, was conceived. Okay, over here you will see all the efforts made by the United States and by the French. You are going to see the machinery used during the construction of the canal, and the most difficult part was the narrowest part of the canal, that is the Gaylord Cut, that is a mountain. Panama was surrounded by mountains. Okay.
The first floor contains the history of the employees that worked during the project. The construction of the canal took over 5,600 lives, which were mostly French nationals who attempted to construct the canal first and died as a result of mosquitoes. The second floor, you learn a lot about the flora and fauna, aka plants and animals, that were found during the construction of the canal. Because of its unique location, there are species that can only be found in the Panama Canal axis.
It takes a vessel 8 to 10 hours to transit through. This is how the lodge looks whenever we're doing maintenance. Once a year we shut down one of the lanes for 1 or 2 weeks for maintenance.
Contains information about how maintenance is carried out in the canal. Has some interesting facts about the canal. For example, it takes about 10 hours for a ship to complete the sail, and they have 2 locks now. One that was originally developed by the Americans, and one that Panama itself developed for larger ships, which they charge up to $1 million for.
As you can see, now we almost equalize the levels of water on both chambers of this near lane. Almost ready to open the gates in front of us. Podemos observar ya casi 100 and ready to open the gates. Make sure you're going to take a great video, great selfie.
So that's the gate over there that the ship will pass through this place.
Yeah, they will open the doors that are locked. Now when there is sound, what is the point of it? When ships are passing, next complex are locked, they're on the...
Do they pay before coming or they pay right away?
For sure before.
So you guys make a lot of money off this, I can imagine.
For example, it can be like maybe these ships are paying maybe like $100,000, but the ship like this that is on the new locks, you see how big it is?
Yep.
That one is not able to pass through here. So that ships there, they can pay even like up to $1 million per pass.
It's a lot of money for Panama.
Yes, but about 50-something ships are passing daily, 30-something through old locks, and about 15 to 17 like through new locks.